So I've been getting a lot of questions about where to start in your Pilates practice. Should I start on the mat, on the reformer? There's a big stigma around doing mat Pilates for a certain amount of time and then slowly making your way to the reformer, but I'm here to tell you differently. Pilates reformer is for anybody and everybody, whether you're a beginner or you've been doing it for years and years. The reformer gives you so much more information with the instability of the carriage. You can feel which muscles are underworking or overworking or any places of instability. So what's so great about the XS1 is that there's so much variety in spring stiffness. Sometimes we need just a little bit extra and it goes up in one increment so we can slowly, steadily progress over time. Slow, steady progression is the key to building real strength.